Hey guys, thanks for joining me in another video. Today we're going to be working on a couple of horses in a meadow, just running along, having fun. So let's get started. We're going to go ahead and apply some white paint to our canvas board and a little bit of blue, a little bit of black. In this picture we're going to have somewhat of a stormy sky brewing, kind of, so we're going to use some whites, some blue, some black to kind of get the dark clouds going here. So bear with me as we get started on this. Takes a little time, but you just kind of mush the colors around and pretty soon you got yourself a dark sky. Alright, right about now we're going to go ahead and apply some yellow to our canvas, some white, some green, kind of give indication of a meadow out there, a little bit of shading where the horses are going to be placed. So I'm going to go ahead and place the horses in here. This is my first time doing horses, so just going to rough these horses in for now. This is how they're looking so far. We're going to try and add some darks and lights to their bodies to kind of make their muscular structure show up, and add some hair to their manes, trying to get their facial features just right. First time doing horses, I'm not very good at their structures and how they're supposed to look, but this is about the best I'm doing so far, so bear with me. Okay, so we're going to step back and take a look at our progress here, see how things are going. Working on their manes took a little time, but we're going to go ahead and keep adding to this and just see how much more tighter we can get on these horses, make them look a little better. Their manes take a while to do, so we're just going to keep plugging away at this and see how they look. So it took me a little while. Did have to work on their tail a little bit, and worked on their head structures quite a bit, trying to get the colors to blend just right, giving them that look of a horse's face and everything. Horses have a lot of personality to their faces, so I wanted to capture their personality the best I could. Well, I think that's going to do it for now. I think we're going to go ahead and call this one finished. And I want to thank you for joining me in another painting video. Again, if you like the video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And you can also subscribe. You can tune in on some other videos that we do. But I hope you enjoyed this painting, and God bless you all.